The modular surface annulus safety valve. Gas lift injection is normally carried out through a 2-inch line in the side of the wellhead. Heavy equipment moving around the well bay has the potential to break this connection. Even when downhole annulus valves are functioning correctly, the volume of gas behind this 2-inch connection may be several thousand gas bottles. The modular surface annulus safety valve, MSAS, minimises drop hazard risk and will improve the safety integrity level and safety analysis report ratings. Installation of the MSAS is made quick and easy through the use of the VR valve replacement tool. The tool weighs less than 30 kilograms and can be lifted by hand. First, the VR tool is attached to the gate valve and a blind plug is installed. A pressure test is performed. The hydraulic spool is then inserted between the gate valve and the wellhead. Pressure test. The blind plug is removed and the SAS is installed. The SAS is then pressure tested. The MSAS actuator is installed and tested. The VR tool is removed and the gas injection line is reconnected. Though the actuator protrudes from the wellhead, it is designed to break off under force, leaving the SAS securely intact in a fail-safe closed position. By moving the safety valve to the wellhead and minimising drop hazard failure, the risk of annular gas leakage to the platform is dramatically reduced. In addition to great safety benefits, the MSAS also significantly simplifies logistics and rig design considerations. The small size of the VR tool enables wellheads to be positioned much closer together, saving large amounts of space on the wellhead floor.